All right, I got some goodies in today, and oh yeah, welcome back to the channel and all that good stuff. I want to show putting in the new sway bar, Ibach. I guess that's how you say it. Ibach. I don't know. And then I got the 3-row aluminum black SVE radiator. So I'll unbox those. We'll do it together. I want to take it out of that bubble wrap yet. I want to keep it in there and protect it. But it is a beauty. You should. Alright. Came with a cap and everything. Cool. Only 209 bucks. Can you believe that? And the reviews are great. A lot of people in the foxbody group that I'm in, they run them. So. Come here. Put her back in there for safekeeping. Check this puppy out. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah. Best part, stickers. Put that where it don't get all bent up. Hardware. Ooh, another sticker. Here she is. Let go. Almost looks like handlebars for a giant. Look at that. That'll match that. Those lower control arms and that turbo very, very nicely. That'll match them. I'll match them nice. So I'm gonna get ready to. I'm gonna go out to the old one outside there and measure the location of the mounts, or just, I guess I could just Google it. Get them tacked on, and then we can mount on the sway bar and. Yeah, radiator obviously gonna be one of the last things. It's pretty sweet though. Alright, well, see you shortly. almost caught it on fire underneath. Something started smoking, so I had to shut it down, let it cool down a little bit anyways, and then tack up these part right here. Get those holes filled in right there, there, all those unnecessary holes there, and I think I'm gonna do a burnout in this, probably 1 or 2 to get things going, but I think I want to make this just a dedicated drag and drive car. I really want to do drag and drive, and that'd be, you know, week-long content, more exciting content. And the way I'm getting this kind of, when I'm getting it set up, I think that's what I'm going to do with it. Yeah, I'd rather do that. I feel like I'd tear it up doing a bunch of burnouts, and I feel like you need a dedicated vehicle for that. The one you don't give a, you know, the one you don't give a crap about. One you don't care if you do wall tap it, or when tires blow, they might dent the fenders, or, you know. Sorry about that. I'm about to drum my wells out. Alright, let's get to it. Yeah, check it out, look. A couple nice little tacks there. Ha! Built-in hammer. Around my backwards. Oh, this holds me. Well, I'll do that for now. I'll put some body work on that. I don't want to put too much heat to it and have a lot to weld, so I'll fix that one crack up over there, and we'll be ready to roll with that. Got a couple more holes patched, and then floor will be done. Right on, let's go. Alright, that's going to conclude today, so we'll see you guys in the next one to finish this up right here. I got that's done, those are done, that's done, got the floor patch there. Getting closer, getting closer. Alright, sorry it's been about a week since I've posted anything. I've been waiting on parts, and I did get the other side of the sway bar bracket, or sway bar mount tacked on. I'm waiting on the brackets though to hold it down. Hell, them are $74 and 2 weeks out. Can you believe that shit? So I don't know if I'm gonna order them and wait 2 weeks or try to go to a junkyard and find some, but that's hold up on that. Just parts right now. And I did get the floor's done, except for I didn't do up there because I got to finish the roll cage, and right here, let's see the lighting, just like right here, I'll be welding in for the bars to come down, through the dash there. So I ain't gonna put any more paint there, but got the rest of it done. Got those spots tacked up there. Obviously, it's everything there. I got to weld the cage, but oh, and I did. Look how nice the interior cleaned up. Pretty damn good. Got them. Can't even tell where them holes were, but good enough for right now. So I got to finish the cage, and then we'll be pretty good. And also with my accident anniversary is coming up here pretty soon, so that's been on my mind a lot. But did go to that podcast, and it was pretty damn good. But I'll have a link to that here as soon as they get it done. April 29th, I think it's supposed to drop. So, but I mean, so I'm waiting on tires, and should be ready to freaking go on the ground. I'm getting my brother's car here, I think this week or next week. Then as soon as I get those as soon as I get the brackets, the mounting brackets, we'll get that on. There's my aluminum. Oh, hang on, turn. Aluminum fan and shroud, and the black aluminum fan. So it's coming along pretty good. I just want to give you guys a quick update, and didn't want to leave you guys hanging for too long. And then not this weekend, but next weekend, Cleveland Cars in Indy 800 and Burnout Rivals. Pretty freaking pumped for that. So, all right, guys, appreciate all the support still, and everybody for watching and subscribing. If you ain't subscribed yet, please subscribe. So we're getting closer to having this thing done so I can start racing. Like, just trust the universe and watch how everything will work out. Just believe that you're right where you're supposed to be, in the moment you're supposed to be there, and just, I don't know how to explain it, but it'll all work out. You know, everything's temporary, the highs and the lows. So appreciate y'all for everything. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.